Hi everyone, this is Elisa coming to you from Barcelona, one of my favorite cities in Europe, Barcelona, Spain. Today is not the sunniest day, but the city has got so much to offer. The city is full of history and this incredible, unique architecture. From the Sagrada Familia or to the famous Park Güell, Barcelona has got Gaudí signed all over it. And of course, one of his trademark was the beautiful use of the trencadís, which is a mosaic that he completely changed and reinvented to adapt to his new architecture. So I found a place where you can actually discover not only how he did it, but you can get your hands on it. All right, here we are. This is Mosaicos, and Angelica is waiting for us. So let's just go in and start the fun.
Hi, good morning.
Hi,
How are you?
Angelica.
How are
Nice
you?
to meet
So
you.
Nice. Please come here.
It's fantastic.
Thanks a lot.
So I've chosen the ceramic as Gaudí started off the process of the trencadís with this material. It's earthy, I love it, it's really, really nice, so, and it's full of color. So now, of course, our host, Angelica, is gonna just make me a master in a few minutes. Here we are, what do I do?
So of course you can choose the colors. It's up to you which mix you can mix all of that. But just you hold also the piece and the middle of the piece. So it's no problem.
Ah, I can do this, huh? So you do the corners, the edges
Yeah,
first.
you just always start from outside to inside.
Nothing goes to waste. You can use everything. If you break a cup, for instance, and that was your favorite cup, you can just use it again and give it a second life. It's easy, but at the same time you need to use your creativity, but also your logic, because you need to get it to work properly. Ooh, it fell. But it's coming on all right, isn't it? Let's put the last finishing touch. Oh my God, it's finished! Look at this, look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? Angelica at Mosaics, brought to you by Costsaver. Ciao!